Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. So, yeah, previously we have deployed our application to Netlify, which is a simple application like simple HTML and CSS we have seen. So now some viewers asked like how to deploy a React app using Netlify. So that thing we are going to discuss in this video. So yeah, for that I'm not doing any creating any React app manually. I'm using Cursor for that. I have given a simple prompt like uh, create a new React app with modern and some requirements. If you want this prompt, I you can just take a screenshot of this. This is a simple prompt. Create a complete new and modern React application for this portfolio of software engineer by using React app. So yeah, here is the about skills should be there, and topography color will be this, and packages will be there, and scripts will be like this. I have given this prompt, and Cursor has created me that folder which is called portfolio here. So that is done. So if you haven't watched my videos, we have done Docker related videos and other portfolio kind of thing videos. How to deploy using GitHub pages I have done already. So check out my channel so you will be able to view those videos. Just take a screenshot of this script. So this is the script. You can just click a screenshot. So yeah, if you give to prompt, you will be getting this portfolio link here. So yeah, if you got this portfolio kind of thing, so you can run it in local your system npm start. You can give. So here in localhost, you will be getting this portfolio which is created by Cursor. I haven't touched any line of code. So now this localhost, I want to make it live. So I have already done live by using this what we called as GitHub pages. So if you go to GitHub portfolio, I have uploaded these files, and if you go to settings and then pages. So if you want to deploy to pages, that your repository should be public, should not be private. So first we have to make it as a public repository, and here we have to deploy from a branch. We have to use GH pages branch because this React app having like packages kind of thing. So install those packages into a build folder, and that build folder will be deployed to GH pages branch. So for that we have done some tweaks in our application. So the things are, we have to install GH pages in your application in packages and dependencies. If you can see like GitHub GH pages will be installed here. So and then here you can see dev dependency GH pages is installed, and then the extra thing is here home page. You have to add what is the home page that should open in that thing, and then pre-deploy and deploy steps. Because if you do these pre-deploy and deploy things, so that will create, and GH pages branch will be created, and build folder will be moved to that branch. So that will be available in your GH pages. If I open this website, so I will be able to see my application live by using GitHub pages. But now I don't want that GitHub pages, so I want this to be deployed in a Netlify app. So that is the main aim for me. So now like how we have done that. So here also I am going to give like a existing project. So in my GitHub I already have that changes in my code. So that branch where we have builds is GH branch, and we have a main branch. If we deploy by using main branch, we are not going to have a builds kind of thing, so our website will not be available. So if I select GitHub, it will be authorized our GitHub. So you need to link you will be need to sign up with the GitHub account, or you need to link up your GitHub account. It will show list up all the public repositories you have. So I want to select with the portfolio kind of thing, which is a React app, with a React create app, and the name which will be visible in your application that they are asking us. So for previous kind of thing, I have given like yohonetlify.com, which is a simple HTML kind of thing. So for this, what I can give like a portfolio of Yoho only, that's already taken, so it's not available, which is a React app, right? So mm portfolio React portfolio, I can give like that, React portfolio Yoho. So this name is available. So now it's done. So next step is build settings. So they want like deploy branch, which branch you are going to deploy. We have to use like GH pages here. So that will help us to give like build files. I will show you like what happen if we give like main kind of thing. We can change that anytime. So base repository, like build command is there, so npm build will be given. Install depend this base directory, the directory where installs dependencies and runs your build command. So base directory will be like base folder. This is the folder, right? Portfolio is the folder. So direct folder, that is the no directory where install dependency. So npm build is there. So publish directory will be build here. And then functions, no need of any functions. I'm just hitting on deploy react portfolio yoho. So if I done this, so deployment is in progress. It will take few minutes of time because it's a package kind of thing. You have to install and make it available, so it will take time. Like it will be done in no time if it is a simple html kind of thing. Is a react, but it's take time. So it's see building is done, uploaded. So react portfolio.netlify is available now. So if I open this, I can see a blank page because so these builds are all not available. So you can just go to, just refresh here to make sure it's not available. If you go to console, you can see the error, what error it is, like server error, portfolio is manifest effect is missing there. So you can change your kind of thing like domain management, like deploy settings. I want to change repository, link to the repository. I can logs are public. You can directly configure gh pages here, so to avoid all these things. Branch changes, where we can change the branch. Project overview, okay. Deploys, 1 minute. Now, why we are not getting these pages? Because we have already configured that to for GitHub pages, because we have written in package.json that is home page is this thing, but it's not the home page. Our home page should be only like portfolio. Portfolio is only there, so we should need to give like this only. Uh, the home page is portfolio only should come. So our change, no need have to have like build folder extra here. So we can do all the changes I do, and just only the package.json file only the change. We have to push it to the main branch. So I'm just staging that. I'm only a portfolio thing, and just commit, and we can check build react scripts build is fine. So we are not pushing build folder, so that build folder will be generated by the Netlify kind of thing. So let's see the our commit has committed in GitHub main folder or not. So we are using main branch only, not GH pages branch. That is only used by GitHub pages. So we are using the main branch here. So our commit has done. Let's see the commits. So initial commit is only there. I think we need to sync up the changes also. So as we are having changes, it's not trackable. I'm just discarding the changes so I can able to sync my changes. So that is like push to origin kind of thing, like syncing changes that push to origin to main. So yeah. So now if I refresh this, so I'm having one more commit here. So if I go to main branch, now I will be having package.json as home portfolio. Now I can able to uh, like whenever I made commit to the this. So if I see production, it is now again building. So whenever we publish to main, it will be published, and it will be hosted in your application. So still it's like that. Um, what is the now? So yeah, React app, our page will be like portfolio, right? We need to give that. Our home page will be like this. So that is what I have given. So yeah, one thing which we can do is we can entirely remove that, so it will not um, it will not create any problem for us. This homepage kind of thing is only for GitHub pages, so not needed here actually. So yeah, I have removed that, and then I like fix homepage thing. Just committing this, syncing the changes. So now let's see. Let's refresh here. Yeah, three commits. So yeah, now let's see here. Refresh this. It's building again. Now it's published. So now our app is ready. So homepage kind of thing is not needed. So directly with the URL which is given by Netlify is fine. So if it is in GitHub pages, we need to give that so that it will be available in GitHub pages in that URL. So if we go to settings here, pages, GH pages will be there. So this is the portfolio, the kind which we have given there. So now, yeah, we are done. So React app is now hosted. So if you remember in deploys, what we have given, that is the main things which we have to remember in deploy settings. In deploy settings, build and deploy settings, we have to give here like build, npm build, run build, and that build should be available in build folder. So all logs are public and it's an active status. So that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you have now published your React app using Netlify. Any React app you can try and publish in Netlify for free. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. If you have faced any problem like me, you can let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.